Greetings and salutations and welcome to another video. Today we're just going to be covering a little bit of AU news. It's kind of been out for a little while, so yeah, just over a month, but it's taken a while for me to kind of get back into it, as well as actually get some updates, because originally I was applying to speak at AU London, but then the human malware COVID kind of happened, and they pushed it back to December, and then it just doesn't seem to feel like an end at some point, and so they just decided, you know what, we'll just do it all online, which for better or for worse means the classes can still go ahead, which is the main kind of point of it, but it kind of means you can't really like meet up, which is kind of like one of the biggest things about going to AU. I was looking forward to going to London this year, but hopefully next year it'll be better. Apologies, I've been a bit less active, university stuff. Yeah, downside of being a student at this point, it's a bit hectic. But yes, AU conferences go digital in 2020. And so yeah, they've pretty much moved everything online, so even the flagship in Las Vegas has gone online, London, India, China, Japan, pretty much all gone online. And so you pretty much, everything you're going to do is kind of, all your speaks, all your classes, you're going to have to join in. I haven't seen too many other details about how they're going to do this, whether there's going to be like a Zoom kind of thing, coordinating it. But yeah, everything's going to be online. However, they have given some kind of interesting options. So you had to call for proposals. Be an AU speaker, broadcast your expertise, because for once, you're actually going to have to broadcast, so maybe the CAD YouTubers might have an advantage here, because they'll actually have a decent setup. But yeah, you can submit an idea, and you've kind of got a little bit more scope with this year, because you can just teach a class as you normally would. You can do a theatre talk, and so you can do it with 15 minutes, which is probably one of the first things I've seen, and you can write articles. And so if you've got a really cool process or you want to show off, write an article and submit it, and you pretty much do that. And then once you do that, you can just click on vote. And obviously, you just vote, and then they all come up. And then you just find all the ones you want. So if you just go to Inventor, you just find that, and it brings you all the Inventor ones. And so you can see here, there's not many. Mine just got submitted today, so hopefully that'll come up soon. But yeah, it's by me, Leo Warren. And yeah, it's a beginner's guide to Inventor as fast as possible. And so if you just go here, it's called Autodesk Inventor Beginner's Guide as fast as possible. It's a hands-on one. So if you've never used CAD, which will be surprising if you're watching this, then this will be kind of the class for you. If you have used CAD, then not really worth your time, because it's going to be going over the basics from modeling to extruding. It's just for those who kind of want to go, oh, I've got a fair amount of time over in this situation, I would like to learn some CAD. And so here's kind of a free course to kind of at least get you a foundation to build upon, because the 3D CAD is pretty brutal to get started with, but once you've got a foundation, it's far easier to work with. But yeah, community voting, so yeah, when that's found, definitely go do it. And I think that's pretty much everything. So yeah, AU's been moved online. Hope you've really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.